Fang. So as you can see, I also write books, and I write my books at Amazon for Kindle. I have a bio here, and also have placed some video. I think for maybe America it's not viewable. It says or something. It is not viewable for US. I will make also a little bit more blog about it. The books I write, what I already previous told, are technical books, but also other books. So I have books about forex database because I'm trading. You can see a lot of books trading. Also because it has to do with money, is European Union and the ECB. I did in Indonesia as a mining and resource country. This is a study for what Elon Musk already said about that he wanted to start a gigafactory in Indonesia. So I did some research what the ores are and what can be possible. I also will write a book about Kenya, and also these two countries, Kenya and Indonesia, are very suitable for low orbit launch sites. So maybe SpaceX, and Indonesia is also planning to change their capital. So I think it's very interesting. Another thing about Indonesia is also that they have a lot of nickel, and nickel cannot get out. Cannot get out of the countries because they want to make to produce the product there. So there's also lithium, but there is not a mining there. So that if Elon Musk want to do the refinery and mining of lithium, I think he can try that in Indonesia. So then he has lithium, nickel. He can make the battery there. He has a SpaceX thing, so he can transport it if needed with Starship. And also titanium. That's also titanium. I think it's in Kenya. So those two places, Kenya and Indonesia. Indonesia has also rubber and other stuff. I think it's a very nice place for resources. He can transport that maybe with electric ships or with Starship to other places where he has bases. The resources, I think, of the half fabricates. I think that is a very interesting option. And maybe we'll see. I will make some videos about that. What other books I make? Green energy, of course, wind energy, Apollo missions. I have something about Mars and about the moon. History of the phone, ETL, because I am an ETL engineer. Lithium, rockets, silver, gold, crypto. Also, I do CEOs like Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos. Okay, see more. Elon Musk. Not known is Steve Blank. Steve Blank has this history for rocket science. Is a game company where Elon Musk worked. I have some things about history of relation management software, CRM, and so also kinds of software, databases, electric cars, rockets. I wrote one. I did already the Japanese aerospace. I did also Apollo. I think something about Apollo is also here. Yeah, Apollo missions. So I want to write something simple. This is a compact for NASA, Roscosmos, the European Space Agency, India and China. So all those space agencies I want to make this compact books from. Then I will later make a book that goes more deep, and then I add all the books in one big book with all the space agencies. So I first do all the small books for low price, and then I will increase the price if there is more data in it. The book of Indonesia that is very interesting. That is my book that I increased the price, but I all put them at Kindle limited edition. So if you are a Prime member, you can read them for free. So please do. So this is the books I already made. I'm planning to write a lot more books for programming. My idea is to write some books about Python and other computer languages. To go deeper into computer languages, and also my idea is to show people how to data mine and scrape sites. Because I also made software for machine learning, and machine learning is hunger for data. So I also show you how to data mine sites from internet, and then make your own database and do some things. I used Colab because Colab has Python notebook that is integrated TensorFlow and all the machine learning. So I will make I have already made a book about it, and I want to rewrite the book here, and then I must also make some videos about it, so people can see how to data mine data, and you can use it for machine learning. So I have big plans for that. I'm also here in the garden at the moment. It is raining. I also will write a book about hydroponics, aquaponics, and about solar systems by building those. I already did it here. Also, I made this whole house electric system here in Japan. Of course, you have to build it here in Japan, and then I extend all kinds of electric stuff and even the water into the garden. So I know also a lot about that, and I will write some books about that also. So as you can see, I'm very busy, and I think I will spend a little bit more time in books. Also, I will try always to get at least 3 or 4 videos a day. So as you can see, I'm retired, but I'm very busy making books and making videos. And I hope you, if you have time to look at, and you have an Amazon Unlimited edition, look at those books I made. You can find them, I have a link at my YouTube, and if you look for my name, Henry van Maarseveen, you will find me. You can see Pearl in this in my profile. That's my dog, my Maltese dog, and I hope people will read my books. See you!